In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the geography feature in Microsoft Excel. To begin, make sure your worksheet includes a list of place names you want Excel to recognize, things like countries, states, provinces, or cities. Keep each place in its own cell, ideally in a single column, and use clear, standard spellings. Avoid extra punctuation or additional descriptors in the same cell. A simple header like location is helpful for clarity, though not required. Start by highlighting the data you want to convert. You can drag to select a range or click the column header if all entries in that column are locations. Taking a moment here to clean up spelling, remove trailing spaces, and keep the entries consistent will pay off with better recognition later. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Data tab. This is where Excel's data tools live, including data types that connect your cells to rich online information. You'll want a stable internet connection for this feature to work reliably. Now click Geography in the Data Types group. Depending on your version of Excel, you may see a globe icon labeled Geography. If a menu appears, click the Geography button to apply it to your selected cells. Excel will attempt to match each entry to its online geography database. After a moment, you should notice small map icons appearing next to the converted cells. That icon means Excel successfully recognized the entry as a geography data type. If any cells remain plain text or show an alert icon, it usually means Excel needs help choosing among similar matches or the spelling needs a quick fix. Correcting the text and trying again typically resolves it. You can hover over a cell with the map icon to preview details about that place, such as country, region, and other available fields. This is a great way to verify you got the exact match you intended, especially useful for cities that share the same name in different countries. If nothing changes after you click Geography, double-check that you're signed in to your Microsoft account, confirm you're online, and ensure your entries aren't merged cells or mixed with non-location data in the same selection. Breaking the list into clean, uniform cells helps Excel do its job. That's all there is to it. Highlight your location data, go to the Data tab, click Geography, and confirm the matches. From here, your cells are enriched with real geographic information, ready to support analysis, charts, and informed decision-making.